Hey foodie fam, this is AJ coming at you with another cooking video. Now for today's video, I'm going to be making beef stroganoff. So why don't you come and join me as I make this dish. So here are the ingredients: chopped onions, sliced mushrooms. This is beef sirloin steak, sliced thinly, Lane Perrins or Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, beef cubes, egg noodles. Doesn't matter what size you want. This is butter, unsalted butter, where I'm going to saute the vegetables in. Beef nor cubes, I showed it to you earlier, and sour cream. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using to make beef mushroom stroganoff. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching once again. This has been AJ. Hope you tune in next time.